Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here, because it says it was sent by Russell. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm actually, if it is what I think it is, I'm pretty excited. Oh, pretty excited! Metal Complex is pretty excited, guys. Pretty excited today. Like it's this, like that every day. But it's just like in a different way. Yeah, this is. Thank you, Russell, for sending these in. Oh, boy. I at this point kind of pick this stuff. So every now and then he I don't know, these are just numbers. Let's open this one first. I requested both of these, and sometimes they're able to get them to me and sometimes they aren't. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is a good looking knife. Yeah. Okay, so we have S35VN and micarta with a nice titanium clip and an inset liner lock. Thumb stud on one side, and it's also a front flipper. Yeah. So this is kind of a, you know, the action is kind of it's a wiggle shut, right? But the detent feels good. Very easy to front flip. Really nice on the aesthetic too. This is pretty angular right here, but it's also really thin and it's a little bit contoured. Yeah, just a little tiny bit. So it feels good, and the pocket clip is totally flat and smooth. That's a nice looking knife. Full size, but it'll carry like a smaller knife because of the profile. So yeah, that's all you're gonna be carrying, right? That's the centering. Centering is spot on. Good deal. Okay, so what is it? Well, I think we're going to get a model number here, so the name of it is right there. 1849P, S35VN, fine with that. Micarta, ceramic ball, etc. Yeah, is this oh, I'm not going to say who I think designed it. Wait. I don't want to say who I think designed it because it doesn't say on the knife, and I feel like it would. Okay, so anyways, that's cool. I will link that right down below. If you guys didn't know, if you use my links, it helps my channel. But that's entirely up to you. If you want to just use it to check pricing and availability, I think that's what a lot of people do, and that's totally fine. It's linked down there for those people's convenience as well. We have another one here. Apparently, it's a spicy boy because it gets a big old box and the thing here. Cheating. Trying to give it the old wizard squeeze. Trying to figure out what's in there before I get it out. Oh, is it the same? Oh, okay. I was like, what else did I ask for? Ah, yeah, okay. So hang on. They got two versions of it here. We got all tie. Oh. I really like the all tie one, but that's generally like always what I like, right? Oh, they got that little tiny they got that little milling pattern on it. Can you see it? Oh, it's just ever so, my camera's having trouble focusing on it. It's just very faint. But I do like that. All right. Yeah, so that's cool. This is a nice knife. Check here. No blade play, up, down, left, or right. No pivot lash. Nice clicky detent. And we are centered. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice knife. All right. Yeah. Artisan Cutlery. This is the one that caught my eye. I'm fairly, aware of all these, releases that they do. Just after handling a lot of stuff from them in the past. But that one, I saw that one, I thought, yeah, I think that's one I'd like to check out. So I'll link this guy down below. I believe it's available. You can go down there and check if you want to. Thank you again to Russell and Artisan Cutlery for sending this stuff in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.